You are struggling with a stubborn neck hump that's impacting your posture and definitely confidence. It's not just about how you look, but how you feel and move. And the good news is that you can start correcting it with a few targeted movements today. Imagine standing tall, moving freely, and feeling more in tune with your whole body. If this sounds like what you need, don't miss this video. For a complete posture improvement guide, check out my AYAMA program in the description below, and let's get started on reclaiming your posture and confidence. Friends, most neck humps can be traced back to a deformation of sorts in the upper back. Why? Well, the muscles supporting and holding the spine in place stop working, and so the shape of the spine changes over time. Neck humps can be caused by poor posture, muscle imbalances, or even stress-related habits. A study in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science shows that targeted movements can help alleviate these issues and strengthen the muscles that support good posture. These exercises aren't about quick fixes. I know you want them, but they're about lasting changes. And if you're doing these exercises, then going back to spending hours on your computer, well, we need to do more exercises. My AYAMA program also dives into the neuromuscular connection, offering a holistic approach to posture correction. Practicing a few times a week will make a huge difference, friends, in your life. So if you're ready to get started, let's jump into it. Okay, so to start off with, I like to have 3 yoga blankets. Now, these yoga blankets are basically like, I think we call them Mexican blankets. They're made in Mexico. And they're just fantastic. They're really solid, but they also provide great support. You can also find some pillows or some old blankets or some old towels that are very thick. But either way, I've got about 3 here. It's probably about 5 inches, more or less, 4 to 5 inches up. And this is a wonderful pose in the yoga world. We call this a fish pose variation. And I kind of stack the first one, so it's going to come right against my tailbone. And then I kind of move the other 2 away a little bit, like stairs. So I'll come right up here and then just lie back. And the idea here is if you can stay here for, I would say, 5 to 15 minutes. So the purpose of the video today, I'm not going to stay here for 5 to 15 minutes. I don't think you need to watch me doing nothing. But if you can start doing this on a daily basis, this is going to be absolutely golden. Now, in the AYAMA world, we talk a lot about no stretching, and there's definitely some stretching going on here. But one of the things that I also mentioned out of one corner of my mouth today in the intro was that we are looking towards changing our shape. So if you look at my shape right now, it's starting to reverse this kind of hump neck action that's going on. So just holding this for a while. But in AYAMA, anytime we stretch, we need to follow up with some muscle activation. We need to do that. So this is the very first thing that we're going to do. Hit that like button if you're committed to improving your posture today. It's a simple way to show that you're on board with making positive changes in your life. Oh, Destiny. You guys would only be so lucky to have a dog like this. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is take the blankets and kind of bring them all into one line here. Then we're also going to lie back again, but this time I want you to actually kind of like put your body here and then just let your head kind of drop off. Now, my torso is kind of long, as I'm sure some of yours are. So I'm allowing my tailbone to kind of drop a little bit, and the head is just going to come off the blanket and kind of lie towards the floor. This is a wonderful way to start gently putting the curve back into your cervical spine, into your neck. And a lot of people have this hunched neck, which has been exacerbated because of tech neck, because you're on your devices a lot. And so this is one of the corrective practices for it. And in the beginning, you might not be able to stay here very long, maybe a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. But if you can, see if you can stay here for a little bit longer. I'm actually going to move back just a smidge. That's better. Another nice place, by the way, to do this is on your bed, and lying on your bed with your head coming just over the edge a bit. There's an Instagram reel I did recently of this, and it's just absolutely wonderful. Doing this for a few minutes before you go to bed at night can really help you to not only fix your neck, but also sleep so much better. So much tension and lack of sleep comes from the tension that we hold in our neck. And this is a great way just to start releasing that. So once we're finished this, again, you want to hold this for, I would say, somewhere between 3 and 10 minutes. So the first one was about 5 to 15 minutes. And then this one, I would stay here for somewhere between 3 and 10 minutes. Longer is always better here. But if you're experiencing any pain or discomfort, don't keep doing it. All right. So from here, what we're going to do now is just move into a little bit of exercise. So I'm going to move the blankets away. And from here, we're going to come on to all fours. So coming on to all fours. And this is, again, a great way to start working with that hump in your neck. You're going to do some cat-cow. So lift the chest and then exhale slowly round. Inhale, lift the chest. Now, one of the things I actually want you to do, but do it slowly, is slowly take your head up as far as you can without hurting your neck. And then exhale and round. And we'll do that a few more times. And did you know consistent posture-focused exercises aren't just good for your health, they're also transformative. According to the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy, these exercises can boost muscle strength and alignment, which significantly eases strain on your neck and shoulders. Very nice. All right. So now we're going to come over to the wall, and I want to show you some wall slides. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up to the wall and come as close as you can. Like, I don't want you to stand like this far away. I want you to move right into the wall, and then just pressing your body, your head, and everything against the wall. This is really going to be good. Then bring your hands, your arms, as much as you can against the wall here. And then all you're going to do is inhale, slowly slide up, and then exhale and come back down and squeeze the shoulder blades again. Inhale, come on up. And exhale and come back down. And the great thing about this particular pose or this practice is you can do this anywhere where there's a wall space. Okay, so now we're going to come back to the mat here, and we're going to do 2 poses. One of them is called chair pose. So you're going to stand with your feet about hip distance apart here. Sit back a little bit, bring the arms up. What I'd like you to do is just bring the arms up like a V and drive the thumbs back and lift the chest up. And you should start to feel the muscles in between your shoulder blades working. That's your trapezius muscle, which we talked a lot about. Inhale, come and stand. Exhale, bring the arms down. Inhale, bring the arms up like a V. Good. Then sit back into your heels. Bring the arms out to the sides. Exhale. Turn the palms up. And then drive the thumbs back, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Gently gaze upwards. Sit back a little bit more and a little bit more, and see if you can actually back bend a little bit. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, bring the arms down to the sides. Bring the right foot forward and the left foot back. And then inhale, bring the arms, reach up to the sky. And then exhale, bring the arms out to the sides. And squeezing the thumbs back. Inhale, squeezing the thumbs back, bring the arms, reach up. Exhale, take the arms out to the side slowly. Don't let them drop. And let the arms come towards the floor. Inhale, bring the arms, reach up. Exhale, take the arms out to the sides. And then inhale, step the back foot up to the front, and then step the right foot back. We'll do it again, but we'll do it on this side. Also, for those of you looking to deepen your practice, my AYAMA program offers a comprehensive activation-based exercises designed to strengthen and align your posture. So check it out in the description below for a guide that helps you regain control and boost your confidence. All right, so now we're gonna finish up with 2 poses. The first one is called Shalabhasana or Superman. So what you're gonna do here is just lift the legs up and lift your chest up as much as you can, and really work on engaging those back muscles and lift the chest up. And then slowly come on down. Very good. And then lift the chest and lift the legs. Very good. And then slowly come on down. And then lift your chest and legs, and you're gonna feel all your back muscles starting to work. Now bring the arms out to the sides like wings, and lift the arms up, lift the legs up, and then slowly down. And then lift up again. Very good. Bring the arms out to the sides like wings, lift everything up, 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 and then down. Very good, friends. Come on to your backs now. We're gonna end with one pose called bridge pose, which is just a final pose to make sure that your glutes are working. And you're probably thinking, but Aaron, I have a neck hump, or I have issues with my neck. So many issues with the neck start in the glutes. And so we wanna make sure that those glutes are working properly. And just the nature of this pose, it's really good therapy for your neck as well. So from here, have the feet a little bit wider than hip distance apart. Bring the arms out to the sides. Engage your glutes here. And then slowly lift up as much as you can. And squeeze the glutes here. Really squeeze the glutes, push down into the heels of your feet. And then slowly come on back down. Take a breath in and exhale out. Inhale in and exhale out, and then come on back up again and squeeze the glutes. Lift up as high as you can, or what is comfortable for you. Really push down through the heels and squeeze the glutes a little bit more, and then come on down. Very nice. And then squeeze the glutes and come on up. Very good here. Push down into the heels of the feet, squeeze the glutes, and then come on down. And again, squeeze the glutes, come on up. We typically do this for 6 seconds, and we typically do it 6 times. And then come on down. So what's your biggest challenge with posture? Let me know in the comments. I'm here to offer tips and support. Nice, good job. Come up a little bit higher. And then come on down. We'll do it one more time. And then squeeze the glutes and come on up. Lift up a little bit higher. A little bit higher. And then come on down. Nice. Great job, you guys. Friends, remember that your neck hump doesn't define you. Integrating these targeted exercises and muscle activations into your daily routine is a proactive step towards better posture and boosted confidence. Keep it small, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress. And if you're looking for big transformation, the AYAMA program can provide detailed guidance every step of the way. Every move you make today helps build a stronger and healthier tomorrow. If you found these tips useful, why not share this video with someone who could benefit from it? And don't forget to subscribe for more practical advice that you can put into action right away.